We got to get title information, survey information, easement agreements, any operating agreements, information on the utilities, city and state implications from a legislative perspective, anything zoning, phase 1, phase 2, HVAC and mechanical, appraisals if they exist, real estate taxes, fire suppression systems, insurance, leases, operating statements, and financing. I mean, that was just my list off the top of my head. It's in various drawers here and there, but we need to assemble it all, and the better assemblage we have at the beginning, the easier it is for us to sell a property. Depending on the scale and scope of a property, you could get tens or hundreds of hours. We'll often go to the environmental engineer or whoever to make sure we have the most updated documentation. Certainly you can go to the counties. The counties have good tax records. We work with the title companies to do the title side of it. We'll work with the finance companies that have the existing financing. And we'll often work with new finance companies that might be putting new debt on the property. They're going to want to have all this stuff in advance to make sure that they know. I mean, all these things are determinants of value, and if you don't have all of them at the beginning of the process, you can run down some dead ends. Of the time invested in the transaction, I would bet it's probably 10 to 20%. Those restrictions can really harm the value of the property. We have 3 people in our research area, and there are probably about half a dozen, well, maybe about a dozen people that would be junior professionals. I think if Asset Record sets a standard by which the industry plays, there's a great value to be added to the industry and the efficiency that would occur as a result of it. And have it in a digital place that was common and understood by all, and have a common taxonomy, which would be very, very valuable to the industry.